Come on, why isn't this moving?
What's not moving, Sammy?
My picture. I can't make it move.
Oh, it looks like, what exactly is it?
Well, I'm trying to recreate that cartoon.
Sammy, you're gonna need more than just a paper and a pencil to make your drawing move. I'll show you something, come on. Hey guys, do you like cartoons? Give us a like if you do. I bet all of you tried to make your own cartoon at least once in your lifetime and bring it to life like we once did.
I remember that cartoon machine, Sue. We had so much fun making it.
But today we're making the advanced version of it, so to say, a super cool cartoon machine. Look what I've got.
Holy cannoli, Susan, check out all these gears and pieces.
Yes, Sammy, there's plenty of them, so let's get started. At first, we're gonna need these 3 square cut parts with protrusions. We'll need to attach them to this circle part.
All right, Susie, Master Sam is ready with the hot glue.
Sammy, we're not using any glue today. All fasteners are already provided. Oh, don't be sad, Master Sam. You'd better find some rubber bands. We're gonna need them.
Consider it done.
Now, guys, we'll insert these pieces into these little holes so that all the protrusions are looking outward. Here's what we've got.
Phew, that's all I found.
You're just in time. Check out these rubber bands, guys. They're different colors and sizes. We'll take the green one and secure the pieces from this side like that. That's better. Now we'll secure the same circle part here from the other side and fix it with the same rubber band. Poof! We'll use the smallest rubber band to secure it like that. Now that's what we've got.
Susie, didn't you forget something? One more circle part.
You're right, Sammy. This goes here. Okay, guys, the center, or rather the heart of our cartoon machine is ready. It's time to move on to its body. This one is the base of the whole thing, and this is the sidewall. Click!
Whoa, so many slots and holes. I never have thought that this is a part of a machine that'll show cartoons.
It surely will. Okay, Sammy, now let me secure this. And we'll do the same with rubber bands right here. Hey, it's time for the tiny parts!
Oh, my precious. I love tiny parts.
Phew, there's so many pieces here. I'm already a bit tired of putting them together. Now we need tubes.
Say no more. I've got an army of them.
Sammy. Hey guys, give Sammy a thumbs up, and I need to attach one more piece here. And done! Hop! We're done with this part, guys. Now we need to attach the centerpiece to it using a couple of tubes. Sammy!
The tubes are here.
Oh, that's nice. We'll take one at first and close its end with a special rivet and a circle. You see, Sammy, it sits tight and no hot glue needed.
Now that's what I call a neat craft. You can see more of these on our channel. Just click subscribe.
Okay, all done. We'll put it away for now. And we'll take the second wall to attach this handle to it. Just make sure that the arrow drawn here is facing you. All right, now turn the piece and secure the handle with a special part like that.
I suspect that something's missing here. The gear, of course.
How'd you figure that out?
Cut out, Sue. The gear has just the same ones as the previous part does.
Well done, Sammy. You're so attentive. This gear indeed goes right here. All right, we're ready to finally get all the parts of the cartoon machine together. We'll attach this sidewall first. Carefully, everything should fit tight. And then insert the tube and secure it on the other side with 2 parts. It should hold really well. Now we'll secure the sidewall with rubber bands here and here. Easy.
Whoa, Sue, that was really fast. But, How will this show me cartoons?
Be patient, Sammy. Could you bring me the other tube, please?
Yep.
And we'll assemble it just like we did with the first one, remember? A rivet and a circle. Nice. It'll help secure this teeny tiny gear. Be attentive, guys. It's really important that all the gear teeth fit exactly between the teeth of the big and medium gears. Now the easy part. Attach this curved piece here.
Susie, look what I found!
Well done, Sammy! These will secure the piece from the top. This one goes here, and this one here. Here's our little circle. And one more rivet. Hop!
Sue, this piece really looks like a key. Are we gonna lock the cartoon machine? Can't it stay open?
No, Sammy, give me that, please. Check this out. We'll insert the key here. Do you see this special notch? It's for the key. We'll secure it with rubber bands from both sides using a handy tool. Man, there's so many rubber bands today, huh? Then we'll pull it out and leave it here.
I feel that something's missing here. Oh, I found it!
Good job, Sammy. Let's attach this part from the back, just like before. Click, click, click. Okay, who's ready to watch cartoons?
It's impossible not to be ready for this. Yay!
Let's see. We have two sets of cartoons. Two sets of cartoon frames. Which one goes first?
Let's see, I'd say this guy goes first.
Okay, yeah, I like this one too. Each frame has its number, guys. It's done so that we put everything in the right order, but let's get rid of this extra paper first. And done! We'll take the very first frame and put it into the notches, making sure that it's sitting tightly. Now we'll make a slight turn and put frame number 2. Like that. We're gonna do this with all the frames. Phew! Done! 36 pictures of the little guy are here.
You meant 36 frames of the cartoon?
Yes, that's right, Sammy. Now we'll insert the key piece right here. Click! And start turning the handle.
Shiver me cheddars, that guy's running! Hey, don't turn the handle too fast or he'll run away.
Sammy! Okay, so maybe let's watch the second cartoon?
Oh yeah, come on, bring it on!
A bit of magic here.
Come on, Sue.
Wow, Sammy, look. This girl is dancing. I call this the real magic. So, Sammy, do you like our cartoon machine?
Well, yes, but...
What, Sammy?
I don't know. Something's missing. Maybe? What do you say about this boombox?
Oh, I gotcha, Sammy. Come on. We've got some stuff to do. You know what, guys? Sam's right. The best cartoons are always so colorful, so why don't we add color to our cartoon machine as well?
We'll make it the brightest one.
Magic will help here. All right, we're ready to design. The sketch goes first. I think a movie theme will be perfect. Now the colors. Oh, by the way, did you know that the very first cartoon for children was created at the end of the 19th century?
Really?
Yeah, but back then it wasn't a drawn cartoon. The director put together a few toys and then took a shot and then moved the toys a bit, took another shot, and so on. Each shot was slightly different than the other.
Jeez, it took forever to create one single cartoon. No, Susie. I can't wait for that long. I have to make a contribution to the animation world today. No, not today. Right now. Where's my pencil?
Sammy! are ya?
Beware and behold, the king has issued a cartoon.
Sammy! Oh, sorry, your slimeness.
Yeah, we'll see what you're gonna say after watching my creation. And we'll also see how many likes this video will get.
Okay, Sammy, I won't laugh, I promise. Maybe we should watch your cartoon in a proper atmosphere. What do you say?
The king says, it shall be so.
Okay, Sammy, I'm ready.
Sure you don't need anything?
Absolutely.
Then, action!
Holy cannoli, Sammy, it's genius!
Thank you. Oh, I have so many ideas for great cartoons. I have to write everything down. See ya, guys.
Now that's what I call talent. Did you like it, guys? Create your own cartoon machine and draw incredible cartoons yourself. See you soon on our channel. Bye-bye.